Team Exercise 93, Guided Imagination. During the exercise, the team walks crisscross around the room. You tell the team they are not in this room anymore, but they have to imagine they walk on a sunny beach and they feel the sun burning on their heads. Next you tell the team they walk on bare feet, so they feel the hot sand between their toes. While they walk, you tell them it becomes hotter and hotter. The team pretends they are very warm. After a while you tell them that it starts to be cloudy and it cools off a bit, and that it slowly begins to rain. The rain becomes heavier and a storm comes up. The team now pretends to walk in the rain and storm. Now you tell them it begins to freeze, and it becomes colder and colder. The team pretends to be very, very cold. The weather becomes normal again, and the night falls. They walk around with their eyes open and pretend they don't see anything. After a while you tell them to lay on the ground and fall asleep. Tell them they wake up, and that they are in a forest. They hear animals everywhere, and they see a river they have to cross, using the stones in the river. The team now pretends they are crossing the river, jumping from stone to stone. When they have reached the other side, you tell them in the distance they see a house. Let them walk towards the house. When they reach the house, tell them someone has to open the door. Now they imagine walking inside the house. Tell the team they say out loud what they see. In this case someone says, "Oh wow, look at that clock." Yes, and all the old paintings on the wall. After they walk around in the imaginary house for a while, you tell them all the doors fall into their locks and they are locked up. They have to imagine how they are going to escape. One person says, "Let's bounce into the door." They bounce into the door. "It's not working," someone says. "I see an open window high in the ceiling. If someone can get out, he can open the door from the outside." "Let's build a tower with our bodies." The team builds a tower and one person pretends climbing out of the window and opens the door from the outside so everyone is free. Tell the team to celebrate their escape and that they did a great job. The trainer guides the team and applies variations to the exercise. What kind of variations you can read below this video on YouTube. And haven't you subscribed yet? Hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for a new team exercise each Sunday on youtube.com/teamexercises to improve cooperation and communication.